today we're going to be working on comparing numbers using those symbols that we've been learning, those greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. So on our first page, it's kind of showing you those symbols. So remember, this symbol, since it has the point this way, is the less than symbol. If it's opening up towards the right, it's going to be less than, because what it's saying is the number that you're looking at is less than the number that's to the right of it. This symbol, since it's open up towards the front, remember, is going to be the greater than symbol, because it's saying the number that you have right there is greater than the number that's over here. And then, of course, we know our equal symbol. So on this page right here, we have a group of 5 and a group of 6. So which symbol should we put there? Is 5 less than 6, or is 5 greater than 6, or is 5 equal to 6? That's right, it's less than 6, so I would need to put this symbol. So when I look at it, remember the point is going towards the smaller number. It's always open and trying to be open towards the bigger number. We're going to practice that a little bit more. So greater than says the alligator always eats the largest number. So you can think of it as the alligator's mouth, the greater than symbol. And we're going to read some of these together. It says 5 is greater than 2. You can tell that that's open towards the front. 9 is greater than 6. 7 is greater than 1. 14 is greater than 12. So when we see that, we read it almost like a sentence. Our greater than symbol. And then we have our less than symbol. Remember, it's got the point towards the front number. The alligator doesn't want to eat the smallest number. So if you think about it that way, it says 2, you can see that it's pointed, is less than 7. Let's read this one together. 9 is less than 12. 5 is less than 15. 3 is less than 6. That less than symbol. And then, of course, we have our equal to sign. And remember, it has two numbers have the same value. And these are easy to read. 9 is equal to 9. 14 is equal to 14. 6 is equal to 6. 120 is equal to 120. And sometimes it'll actually have a problem. So it might say something like 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Or 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 0. So that equal sign can kind of compare different equations too, and numbers. All right, so we're going to practice this together, okay? Let me get my pen ready. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try this. It says fill in the bubble with the greater than or less than sign. So I have 9 and 12. Is 9 greater than 12, or is it less than 12? 9 is less than 12, so I need to make sure the point goes towards 9 and that it's open towards the bigger number. So I'm going to start over by the 12 and go across to make it open towards the 12. 43 and 19. Is 43 greater than 19, or is 43 less than 19? 43 is our bigger number, so it's greater than 19. So I'm going to start by 43. I'm going to make my point towards 19 and come back to have it open towards the 43. Remember, like the alligator is eating the 43. Is 4 less than 16, or is 4 greater than 16? 4 is less than 16, so that means I'm going to start over at the 16. My point comes over to 4 because it's the smaller number, and then I go back to where it's open to the bigger number, the 16. So 4 is less than 16. 101 and 65. Is 101 greater than 65, or is it less than 65? 101 is greater than 65. So I'm going to start at 101, put my point towards the 65 because it's the lower number, and then come back to where it's open towards 101. How about 28 and 28? What would I say about that number? That's right, it's equal to. So I'm going to make my two lines to make the equal sign. Is 29 less than 65 or greater than 65? 29 is less than 65. So remember, I'm going to start by that bigger number, put my point on the smaller number, and then come back to where it's open towards 65. 40 and 39. Is 40 greater than 39, or is it less than 39? 40 is greater than 39, so I'm going to open it up and put my point towards the smaller number, Make sure it's open for the bigger number. Is 16 less than 27 or greater than? 16 is less, so I'm going to bring my point to 16 and go out to where it looks like it's eating the 27, and then 12 and 12. Is 12 greater than or less than? It's neither, is it? Because it's equal, so I'm going to put that equal sign. All right, good job. All right, you guys have done an amazing job. All right, guys, you are going to go ahead and connect to Seesaw, and you're going to complete some of these greater than, less than, and equal to problems, okay? All right, you did an awesome job. Thank you.